Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now, I'm come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, man, today I'm gonna be discussing the best product that I ever used on my dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be telling y'all the worst. Obviously, I done told y'all about the worst, and that's kind of getting more views to this day. You know, I'm just playing. But yo, make sure I go cop. Make sure I go shop the satin line beanies. You know what I'm saying? At Up Next Lifestyle, at Up Next Smile on Instagram. Website coming soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm working day by day. I'm really taking my time with the website. You know what I'm saying? Because I like the first time I really just I made it boom, and I launched it, and the product, it wasn't really up to par. You get what I'm saying? I didn't really push it how I wanted to push it. I didn't really do nothing for it. You feel me? Basically, I learned my lesson from the launching my first time from doing that website and this and the third. So I'm basically taking my time with this one. All right. So when this website come back, it's gonna be over with. It's gonna be game over. All right. So I'm talking about the best product, and I'm gonna tell y'all the reason I say the best product for my dreads is no product at all. It's no product at all. Now what you want to do is you always want to keep your dreads in like maintenance if you that type of person. You feel me? If you that type of person that you like to go everywhere with a clean look, this and that, the third, and as you should sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I ain't gonna cap, bro. I be going crazy. I be putting in work, so I don't be looking up to par each and every second. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do better on that for sure. I'm definitely gonna get my hair retwisted. This and that. I see. The thing is, I usually go 2 to 4 months, but like 5 months. Come on now, man. Oh, come on now, you pushing it. But I ain't even gonna lie. Like my satin line beanie, like I'm telling y'all, my satin line beanie, like I can go months with the satin line beanie on my head. Don't get a haircut, and you would never. I don't look bummy. I don't look bummy. You dig what I'm saying? And if you think I look bummy, that's just you. You feel me? And in the real world, these all up in the nigga face. Exactly. So, but the best product I would say for my dreads is this satin line beanie. It gotta be the satin line beanie because I really don't. When I tell y'all, I don't use nothing on my dreads. I used to use stuff on my dreads. I used to use stuff on my dreads. I used to use mousse on my dreads. That was terrible. I used to use a specific type of mousse is terrible. Like you gotta look at what you put in your head, like alcohol, stuff like that. Like you don't really want to put that in your head. You feel me? But like, cause if you put alcohol in your hand, like you just see it, it kind of dry out your skin. Even though it might can clean the wound or whatever, it dry out your skin. So why would you put that in your? You get what I'm saying? So that's why you gotta read the back of the label. You gotta read the ingredients of your stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you really want to do when you get your product. When you see this is the best product for me. Now this ain't gotta be the best product for you. It should be. You should be intrigued by it. You feel me? Because it's silk on the inside. You get what I'm saying? Just that simple fact alone. Like, you got to understand, silk is way better than cotton. Cotton pulls your hair. Silk is smooth. It don't pull your hair. It relieves stress on your hair. You feel what I'm saying? So, just that alone is like a big difference. But if you're talking about far as like oils and stuff like that, you really want to research what type of oil that you need. That what are you trying to do? You trying to repair your hair? You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people say castor oil. I did try out castor oil for a minute, but my hair was to the point where I was done with products. I used so much products during like the first year, the second year. I was done with products. And I'm not saying I use products each and every day. But you could just see like, yeah, like I need a detox now just because of the fact of the products, you know what I'm saying, of the moisture, of the sweat. You get what I'm saying? So it's like I need a detox. So I'm not about to keep putting in products and just keep putting in products. I'm not about to keep trying out products. Nah, like I'm gonna just wear my beanie and go about my day, like on me, cause I wake up, like you don't understand, like the satin line beanie keep your hair warm as fuck, warm as fuck. No cap, like I really do. Like I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be a trend, bro. It's going like if you ain't got, it's like having an Apple, bro. You gotta have an Apple. You don't want no Android. You get what I'm saying? And I'm gonna watch this video like a couple years from now. I'll be like, yeah, you gotta have that. You gotta have that. You gotta have that up next satin line beanie. You got to. It's a must. Especially if you got dreads, you got braids, you got even waves. You get what I'm saying? Like I'm just not advertising it to the wave people. Like I got a dreadlock fan base, so of course like I'm gonna talk much with the dread people. You feel me? But everybody, if you this type of skin color, you gotta have one of these. The regular cotton is not meant for us. The regular cotton beanie is not meant for us. This right here, this is meant for us. You know what I'm saying? You see the background going crazy. You see everything going crazy. You know what I'm saying? All aligns. You gotta have one of these. But yeah, so that's really the best product for me. You get what I'm saying? That's the best product for me is the satin line beanie. That's why I just sat here and I just came out with it. And I'm like, bro, like that's a great ass product. You get what I'm saying? Like that'll really help my people. That'll really like help people who watch my content. So that's how I really just came up with it. And it's not all about oh like he just trying to sell a product. He just like that's why I'm building this website because it's a up next lifestyle. You get what I'm saying? It's an up next movement. You feel me? It's just not an up next satin line beanie. It's just not a beanie. It's just not you get what I'm saying? A satin line beanie. It's a up next satin line beanie. You get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make this whole thing a lifestyle. You feel me? So make sure I hit that like button. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Cause we it's a lifestyle out this bit. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I go shop at Up Next Lifestyle, at Up Next Mile. You feel me? Go support the movement and go support your hair. Cause like I just said, most of y'all like me. You feel me? So yeah. So far as like the oils, the shampoos, the conditioners, I know like a lot of people been asking me about that. A lot of people just been asking me questions. That's why I'm coming out with all this content back to back. Cause everybody DM me on Instagram. Y'all can do that. Y'all can go crazy on Instagram. Make sure I follow too though. But they saying, yo, like, what's the best product? What should I do? I'm making these videos for y'all. Just so y'all can soak up, just so y'all can watch it, just so I can kick game to y'all. And anything y'all need, I'ma just keep dropping videos and I'ma keep supplying it for y'all. You feel me? So I appreciate y'all just texting me, hitting me up. Hey yo, what do I need to do now? What do I need to? You feel me? So excuse me. But yo, that's why I created the video. Alright, cool. Make sure that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to go shop, go cop. Satin line beanies at Up Next Lifestyle, at Up Next Mile on Instagram. I'm gonna catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace. Y'all know it. Gotta hit the 8 minute mark. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. You know that.